Good morning. So I am here at the Hyatt in Miami, Florida. This morning we are going to board the Carnival Horizon. So stay tuned. We're going to have so much fun this trip. Happy Easter, and let's get into the day. Here is a look of our room at the Hyatt in Miami downtown. We're really close to the port here. We paid with credit card points for this room. It was a really nice room, very comfortable overall. I would totally stay here again. They also had a restaurant on site. Just as a little side note here, the family came from North Carolina and they decided to take the train from North Carolina down to Miami, Florida. It was a 26-hour train ride and they would not recommend it, even though it was a great way to save some money. They said it was hard to sleep and not the most comfortable trip ever. They recommend driving or flying. This is the famous atrium visual art. It changed every day. It was so pretty. Okay, so we're officially on board. It was super fast, like, whew. Didn't get a chance to pull out my camera for any footage. Our rooms are not ready yet. They won't be ready until 1:30. We are on deck 8. We've got a cute back in a corner room, so I will be doing a full room tour and showing you that. It's kind of neat. It's a different kind of layout of room than the standard room. Now we are off to find some drinks. So we're having our first lunch on the cruise in the marketplace. Let me show you what we got. And this here is a Reuben. All right, so we're going to show you our cabin. It is 8412. So you have to put a card in here. Upon shutting the door, we have a peephole, general information, TV. We have our water that we purchased extra. They gave us some towels. There's some storage, some trash. In here is the refrigerator. We have our beautiful wardrobe here. Lots of hangers. Beautiful mirror to see yourself in. We have the safe here, several drawers. Our safe is currently not functioning, so if we request someone to come and check it out. And then we have the wonderful bed. In this scenario, it is 2 twin beds pushed together to make a king. We have our beautiful lamps on both sides. They both have a little bit of storage here. And then we have the main cabin on and off switch. I won't turn the lights off on you. We got our seating, and we have our desk, our phone, our important papers. We have a drawer with a dryer, and that is not a drawer, it is a big drawer. Have a seat, and I believe this mirror comes on. Yep, light comes on. So for outlets, we have 2 standard, 1 European, 2 USB. That's pretty good. We have our temperatures, our snooze and do not disturb signs. Bathroom, we have 3 hooks on the door. Bathroom light, off, on. It is a shower curtain situation. We have shower gel and shampoo. I'm going to guess that is a shampoo conditioner mix. We have our spray head, looks like an adjustable rod, soap dish. Now I have seen in other rooms that they had the step bar. They do not have it in the shower, so boo. They have the clothes rack, handlebar, closes here, So we have our pretty shower curtain, toilet, nice mirror here. Looks like regular magnification, extra magnification, shelves, extra toiletries. Don't think this opens. Trash bin, tissue, soap, more shelves. Me, hi. Okay, so that is room 8412 inside cabin. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Stay tuned because the day's just getting started. This was my cabin door decoration. It's a peep show. Okay, so before we sail away and start this wonderful vacation here on April 9th on Carnival Horizon, got me a margarita from the Blue Iguana Margarita Bar. Highly recommend it. Let's get some of these upper deck views in for you. Oh, we got a bicycler going here. I'll be totally doing that later. We got the aft pool down here with two of the hot tubs. We've got the MSC Seascape back over here. And we have beautiful Port Miami. Let's see if we can catch some good views of Port Miami. Oh yes. Look at those views. We got the harbor there with all those boats and yachts and sailboats and all these lucky ducks with these beach waterfront houses. Oh, it's a beautiful day for sail away. Okay, so we stayed the night last night in the Hyatt. It was a good night's sleep. The bed was comfy, the room was comfortable. I do recommend using their included white noise machine or bringing earplugs because the street noise was crazy. Lots of beep beeping. There was also some slight noise through the room from up above us. That wasn't so bad, but I am very sensitive when I sleep, so I wear earplugs and I slept like a baby. And it was only 4 minutes to our premier cruise parking. So we did the off-site parking again. And so while I would say that it was a good value, it was a little slow. They were pretty strict about not leaving until 10:30. So if you have a port arrival time before that, just know you're not leaving that cruise parking deck at the earliest 10:30. Now it did move pretty quick once they started loading shuttles. I would recommend it if you do not love crazy traffic situations, then off-site port parking is the way to go. Because wow, the traffic situation getting to the port this morning was insane. Okay, so here we are on the Lido, the main pool area attraction. We are a fully booked cruise ship for spring break. Here is a quick view of the Lido. Okay, so we are up on 14, and I'm going to show you the Serenity adult only area, 21 and over. Cool clamshell seating here. Lots of wind dividers. Lots of comfy places to lounge. We also have some views of the industrial side of Port Miami. We have our first adult hot tub, shower. We have a food area when it is up and running. Bar. My husband down there making friends. He's so good at making friends. right, so that's a look at the Serenity area. Let's go surprise Zach. What do you think you're doing?
Hey, I'm having a drink.
Okay, so you have to check out these towel animals at the Serenity Bay. They are too cute for words. Look at these guys. So stinking cute. I just love it. I'm a sucker for all things cute and adorable. Okay, so we have officially sailed away and we are getting ready to go have dinner for Easter. This is my husband's family get-together cruise, so I will try to take some pictures of dinner as best I can, at least snapshots of like what I'm having, maybe what my husband's having, and I will try to cover all of that at dinner. Please forgive me, I've had a few drinks, so if I'm a little, I've had a few drinks, we're having a great time. So, let's get to dinner. Okay, so we are closing out day one, embarkation day. We ate a lot of food. We ate food in the main dining room. It was all really good. Don't have any complaints. I had the honey glazed salmon, that was excellent, and the ahi tuna salad, also excellent. For appetizers, I had the shrimp crab cake, that was amazing, and the little side garnish was also really good. Also had the antipasta meat cheese plate. I had the cheese plate, and I tried their Easter special dessert. I didn't love that. That was just not my thing. And then, yeah, that was my whole dinner. So that was dinner. Overall, I would give it a thumbs up. It was pretty good. We also tried some pizza. That was pretty good. And whew, what a busy day for day one. Day two, tomorrow, is our very first sea day. We have formal night or fancy dress up elegant night. So looking forward to that. And there's some other things we're going to do tomorrow too, but we'll get into that tomorrow. So that wraps up today, and until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.